AwaySafe Q10 is a dashcam with discreet design. 170-degree wide-angle view, 2-inch LCD screen and rotatable HD camera, 3M adhesive pads to securely fasten the dash cameras to your car windshield. Very easy to operation. WDR Fun Action, which can balance footage in any night condition. Pairing with 720p, 1080p provides you a better visual experience. Wide working temperature from 22 degrees Fahrenheit below zero to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. Excellent night vision capture CarPlay clearly in the night. Seamless looping recording. G-sensor offering almost every feature you could want from a dashcam.